To add money to your Venmo account, follow these steps. Log into your Venmo account. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device or visit the Venmo website. Log into your Venmo account. Access the menu. Look for the menu icon and tap on it to open the navigation menu. Select Manage Balance. In the menu, find and select the Manage Balance option. This is where you can add funds to your Venmo account. Tap Add Money. Look for the Add Money option and tap on it. You might be prompted to link a bank account or use an existing linked account to add funds. Enter the amount. Input the amount of money you want to add to your Venmo balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account. Choose funding source. Select the funding source from which you want to transfer money. This can be a linked bank account or a debit card. Review and confirm. Review the transaction details, including the amount and the funding source. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Authenticate the transaction. Depending on your settings, you might need to enter your Venmo PIN or use biometric authentication to complete the transaction. Transaction confirmation. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. The added funds will be reflected in your Venmo balance.